Bass fishing freaks, what is up? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to another video. I'm out on the Mississippi River today and I'm doing some bass fishing. I'm going to go exploring for most of the day, so that stuff you probably won't see on camera because I'm not expecting to catch a lot of fish. And if I do, I'm probably not going to stick a lot of them because I got a tournament coming up here in a few days. It's the last tournament of the year. So I'm going to do that and then hopefully find something to pattern, and then I'm gonna go hit a bunch of random spots and try to catch some fish for you guys to see. So anyways, yeah, beautiful day. I'm just grateful to be alive and be out here in the Mississippi River. It's so nice out. It's gonna get really hot, I think, though. Good thing I got a lot of water. Stay hydrated, don't want the big man to go down. Stay tuned, folks. Donkey hunting starts right meow. There we go. Little fish, but yeehaw. Hey, a fish on the mud. I was just about ready to turn around. I'm like, I doubt there'll be anything over here in the mud. That's not a bad one either. A little over 2 probably. Jesus. You know, I've caught them over here before too in the mud. I don't know what holds them here. Laney got one a couple years ago on a spinnerbait right here. Now I probably blew them out if there was more. There we go. Got him. Sitting right under that bridge. Staircase, whatever you want to call it. There he goes. Figured he'd come off. I was kind of just playing with him. There he is. Little smally Johns. That's how they're supposed to be hooked, right there with a tube. That's how I like them hooked. Because you know they ain't coming off. And they're not down in their gullet where you got to worry about killing them. Perfect. Just wish he was about 3 or 4 pounds bigger. There's another one. Oh, there he goes. There he is. Jeez Louise. Largy. Sorry, boy. That big dog. Woo! I got 5 minutes and 30 seconds left on this memory card, and it's full after that. And it's the only one I have with me. So we're gonna try to make her happen here in 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Maybe I'll just leave it play for the rest of the time. That's what I'll do. See what we can do just throwing this tube up this shoreline. There's a lot of little ones here. Once in a while you get a good one, but there's a lot of dinks. I've caught 3 and had a couple bites since I started. There's one. I've only hit a... Oh, there he goes. I knew that once he got shaken, he'd probably come off. Thought about running a square bill in tight. I don't know if they'd bite that or not. I'm sure they probably would. Maybe. I don't know. It's been getting bit on the tube so much lately. 4 minutes and 12 seconds left. There's one. There he is. Trolling motor's all stuck in the... Woo! It's a little bigger one. Trolling motor stuck in this rock. See, this is what I'm trying to avoid. He really ate the snot out of it. This ain't too bad though. I can pop that out. All right. Keep her going, keep her going. Come on. Oh, broke off. All right, I don't feel like digging out another tube. I don't have one ready. So square bill it is for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. See if I can keep it in by the rocks. Right there. Hooked up already. Man, I should have been doing this. This is fun. I don't do this very often. I haven't caught much on a I haven't caught much on a crankbait this year. Since early spring. I did get a limit first tournament of the year on a crankbait. But since then, I have not. I'm out a little too far now. They're really, really super tight. Got 49 seconds. Come on, give me one before it dies. What's going to happen, I'm going to hook up at like 10 seconds. And you're going to get to see me land it. Across this little point. Come on. 24. Four, 3, 2, see you later. Well, now that's a wrap, I guess. Not a real exciting video. I didn't catch a ton of fish, but I did catch some. I really didn't think there for a while that I was going to be able to make a video. Sitting on 3 fish for quite a while. Yeah, and then I knew these fish were going to be here. They're always here and they're always little, but they're fun to catch. So I figured I'd come up here, and I noticed I had like 15 minutes left on my SD card, and fill it up real fast. Put the pressure on me, see what I can do. Well, it was fun. Most fish caught on the tube, imagine that. One on the square bill. First 3 on a jig, that was fun. Half ounce Super K, I think that was the Sparlock jig, which is a great jig. I think that one comes through cover a little better. I use the skipping jig a lot too, which the line tie is horizontal on the skipping jig, and it's vertical, I believe, on the Sparlock. But yeah, they were really liking that jig back in that back marina there. One decent one and a couple dinks. Not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bells, get notified every time I put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you are never too fat to fish.